Hey Rangshay, so today's maths is from Planet Maths again, and it's page 87 as we can see here, and it's kind of a recap on what we've done so far, so it'll be a good one to do. And you can see, okay, what I want you to do in part B is all the A's 1 to 5 only, so listening now so you don't put extra work on yourself, so A on 1 to 5, and also B and C on question 3, okay? Now my advice to you for question 1 here is change these to decimals. So it'll be 1.16 meters, yeah, plus 2.84 meters, and that's simple for you. Same thing on 2A, 27.42 meters plus 18.56 meters, simple. Same thing on 3A, 9.428 kilometers minus 7.158 kilometers. Very, very easy once you change it to decimal, okay? And same thing on 4A, change all those to decimals. So we've 45.93 meters, 7.75 meters, and don't forget that's 0.54 meters. Okay, and then 5A, we're getting a fraction of something, so you divide by the bottom, you multiply by the top. 3B here is just simple multiplication. So we have 3 numbers after the decimal in the question. How many are we going to have after the decimal in the answer? Yeah, my wife is laughing here because she says, you say that to those guys every day. I know I do, Ruth, but they don't listen to me always. And then part C is 86.4 divided by 6. Okay, so that's a simple division, short division because we've only one digit there, and just keep your decimal under your decimal in your answer when we're dividing. And then what I want you to do is go on to part C, okay, and just simply again 1, 2, 3. They're short enough questions. You should be well able to do those. So we have 1 to 5, all the A's, and then B and C on 3, and then 1, 2, 3 and C, and that's it, okay? And I had a quick glance as well at our mental maths for today, so these are some of the trickier ones I've seen. Question 1, 0.6 by 0.3. Why have you written that, Mr. Anthony? You always tell us about these ones, multiplying 2 decimals by each other. And Ruth again is looking at me, she's like, you always tell those, and I'm like, I know I do, Ruth, but they don't listen to me. So 0.6 times 0.3. Okay, so 6 by 3 is 18, and we have 2 numbers after the decimal in the question. So how many are we going to have after the decimal in the answer? Okay, question 2 is a scale one. So our scale is 1:100, which means whatever is on the plan is 100 times bigger in real life. So in real life, we have a 6-meter wall that's drawn. Okay, so they want to find out how big it'll be on the plan. So if it's 6 meters in real life, we need to make it 100 times smaller, okay, to figure out what it is going to be on the piece of paper. So 6 meters is 600 centimeters. So if that's 100 times smaller, that would be 6 centimeters. But if you look at the question, they don't ask you for centimeters, they ask you for millimeters. So you're going to have to convert 6 centimeters to 6 millimeters. No bother to you guys. Question 5, another one we've done a lot of recently. 6 plus minus 2, sword fight, a plus and a minus. Fighting each other, sword fight, it becomes a simple minus, so 6 minus 2, what's that going to be? Question 8, a car goes 12 kilometers in 10 minutes. What is its speed per hour? Okay, so what is its speed per hour? So if it goes 12 kilometers in 10 minutes, we need to find out how far it goes in an hour. So we multiply 10 by 6, you get 60, and you must multiply 12 by 6 as well, and you'll get your answer. Okay, next one, oh yeah, this is a nice question. How many even numbers there are in a pack of cards? I think that's it. Let me see the phrasing. It is, what is the chance of selecting an even number from a deck of 52 cards? So we know there are 4 suits in a pack of cards: hearts, spades, clubs, diamonds. Okay, the even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, in each of those. So there's 5 there, there's 5 there, there's 5 there, there's 5. There's 5 even numbers in each suit. So that's going to be 20 in total. So we have 20 in 52. That is our chance of selecting an even number from a pack of playing cards. But you can simplify that. Okay, 20 and 52. You can simplify that. Bring it down. What goes into both 20 and 52? I'll leave that up to yourselves. Okay, question 14. These guys again. Okay, here is an irregular shape, and they ask us for the area and the perimeter. We can't get the area of in a regular shape, so we need to make 2 regular shapes. Okay, and if you look here, I've drawn a little red line to make 2 rectangles. So this small guy up top here is 3 by 5, that's going to be 15. this long guy down here is going to be 17 times 2, which is 34. So you should be able to tell me what our area of that irregular shape is. The perimeter. First thing you must do when you're looking at the perimeter, does each side have a number on it? And it does. So then we just go add them up and cross them off as you go along. Question 17 is interesting. It says a half of 4/10. And you could probably do that in your head, but the way I think about that is I'll do it here again for you. A half of means multiply, a half of 4/10. So I go half multiplied by 4/10. And then two fractions multiplying, so I got top by top, bottom by bottom, is 4/20. Okay, and you can simplify that, that's 2/10. And you can simplify that, that's whatever, you can do that yourselves. And the final question for our maths today, circle or tick the regular polygon. A polygon is just a shape with a number of sides. So for example, triangle, square, trapezium, rectangle, all those guys, okay? So you need to tick the ones that are regular. There's going to be one or two irregular ones there. You just tick the ones that are regular, normal, common polygons. Have a great day, guys, and please, please, please do not get question wrong. Okay, please, please, please. Concentrate on it. Let's get it right. Slán live agus gur maith.